Rich Guy here at Mortgage Mondays, episode 47, where I've got a special guest. We'll be talking about home inspections today with my buddy Mike Petrus, Absolute Inspection Services.
Hey, how's it going, Matt?
It's
It's a pleasure to be here.
Yeah, good to have you, my man.
Yeah.
The first guest on Mortgage Mondays. Here
Yeah,
on episode number 47. So,
it's an honor. It
yeah,
really is truly
good
an
to
honor.
have you. Yeah,
Thanks for having me.
I'm glad you're here because I know that for most folks out there, they don't understand, one, what a home inspection is, two, how important it is. So I just wanted to ask a few simple questions so that anybody watching can get an idea of, first off, tell us, what is a home inspection?
Okay, well, first off, a home inspection is a generalistic look at the house, okay? Basically, we are trained to be able to, find issues, anything ranging from health and safety, or that can create, general concerns down the line for a particular buyer. What we generally do is we look at everything from roof to foundation. Okay, so all major systems components. We're talking about electrical systems, plumbing systems, roof coverings, how's the structure looking, how's the foundation looking, etc., along those lines. Okay, HVAC systems even as well. And what we're looking for is any safety or health concerns, okay, or any concerns to the buyer that might create a fire, might hurt somebody, might create an issue down the line. We also generally kind of take a look into, well, how are the units performing? Especially with HVAC, for example. Is the unit still running the way that it should? Of course, there are some components that we cannot see, like the heat exchangers, etc., and that's out of our requirements. What's the age looking like on it? We don't have a crystal ball in terms of how long these, particular units could last for. But if we have a general concern, we will throw it out to the buyer and say, you might want to consider an upgrade here. Okay. So basically what we are in charge of is protecting the best interest of the buyer at all cases. Okay.
Right.
Letting them know exactly what it is that they're facing when they move into the home of their dreams.
Right, yeah, they walk through with an untrained eye. Everything may look peachy keen, but you scratch a little bit beneath the surface and there might be some issues that may be causes of concern.
Absolutely, and that's the whole thing, is we're trained to recognize, those issues that can, be a potential issue down the line or create a health and safety hazard for the occupants.
Right, for sure. Well worth the few $100s. Besides the fact that it gives the buyers a little bit of peace of mind, a little glimpse into, the overall condition of the house, what would you say is the real important reason why folks should be getting a home inspection?
There's actually, the whole reason for the home inspection is the important thing. All the systems within a house are just as equally important. Some of the ones, that I really, find to be important is definitely electrical systems, okay, within the house. Were they geared up right? Was there any illegal double tapping? You got any open neutrals, anything that can create a fire? Open splices in an attic, that's pretty common. To see them without junction boxes, and in that case, you have a spark.
Yeah, I moved my family, and I want to know if there's something like that.
Exactly. when all it takes is a couple $1 junction box to go up there and take care of it. And now you protected the home. I mean, that's just a small inference, okay, into many different issues that could be arising from, say, just electrical systems. Are the systems outdated? A lot of people don't know about Zinsco panels or Sylvania panels, but they're basically what we call in the home inspection industry as the aluminum wonders. Okay, and they were known. They are an obsolete product. Finding the parts for them nowadays is very, very difficult. But they've been known to have their issues. Okay, when it comes to arcing, fire, etc. Along those lines, definitely something that you consider health and safety.
Cool. Bunch of good info, man. I'm sure you could go on and on.
I could absolutely, I could bore you. I could bore everybody here to death. But basically, the whole purpose is that buyers beware. You want to know what is going on with your home, okay, before you purchase it. Right. It can also, in most cases, tend to be a negotiation tool.
Yeah, like you said, if there's something that's only a few dollars, it's really great to know, and it's just a matter of hey, can you have the sellers fix that? They could have somebody do it for...
Exactly. Now, the home inspection report is not going to be a punch list for the seller to have to take care of, okay? I mean, negotiations will have to come down to the line in terms of, what it is they'll cover.
There's things that are real important. Can you handle this?
Most of the transactions I see, though, too, nothing gets covered. So that's where it's even more crucial for the buyer to have a home inspection done because now they can kind of see, okay, well, how much is this going to cost me? Okay, potentially. Now I don't give prices, I don't go out and do bids, and say, well, this is how much it's going to cost. Okay, but it kind of gives them a general idea. My reporting software actually gives ballpark costs, within it.
Mm-hmm.
So if they just kind of say, well, okay, say I want to upgrade the furnace. Okay, well, how much is that going to cost me? Well, give ballpark, prices along those lines, and be able to let the buyer know exactly what's coming down the
Good
pipeline.
deal. I'm sure any other questions, people can reach out to you, and you can give them specific answers to that. As far as scheduling a home inspection, how do people get a hold of you?
Very simple. You can give me a call at 916-426-2424. You can also visit my website. It's www.absoluteinspections.com. When you visit the website, you can actually book online. You just go to the scheduling option, and it will go through my list of prices per the square footage of the home that you're looking at, and you can just pick out a date, be able to schedule it right there and there. I also do schedule out pest inspections third party. I only use the top pest inspectors, the ones that don't readily have a construction crew, and because they have the power to be able to call out Section 1. Okay, there are some pest inspectors out there that, because they have construction crews, sometimes they can try and blindside the homeowner.
Right.
Okay, we're not allowed to fix anything. It's against the law for us to do that. But they have the power to do so. But I only trust the best companies. Okay, the companies that I've seen tried and true call out fair Section 1. Okay, and generally do not have construction crews. So if you do need that to happen, you give me a call. I schedule it out, and basically I just give you a call back for a date for entry.
Cool. Thanks for all the great info, Mike.
Well, thank you very much, and thank you for
Mike
having me,
Petrus, Absolute Inspection Services. Great to have you, buddy.
Thank you, Matt. Matt, the mortgage guy.
See you next week. Good stuff, buddy.
Thank you.
Just like that.